California shawty, it's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a school get ready with me / little vlog. I can't promise how much I'm actually gonna vlog just because school is crazy right now because I have 3 weeks left and I'm just so ready for it to be over. But as you can see, look how pretty it is outside. I love skies so much. It looks gorgeous outside. But basically, I'm just gonna be doing a school get ready with me. My friends have been like, you need to upload, and I have another video that I can edit, just haven't gotten around to it. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see my face, and let's try and make this mess a little bit cuter. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Revolution Hydrate Primer. This is new. If you watched my last video, you would know that. But I do not know how much I like the camera on my new phone. It like kind of feel like it's like a blurring, and it's everything is like more zoomed in, and I've been having problems with my phone spazzing out lately, which I thoroughly don't appreciate. But I'm going to my mom's this weekend so I can tell her that it's being a pain in the butt. Yeah, what's new with you guys? I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever. That's kind of because I haven't, and I'm sorry. I just have not felt like filming, or if I do feel like it, I don't have like the time to, or like I just can't because I'm not home or whatever. But I'm really bad at managing my time lately, like really bad at it. So I'm gonna try and get better at filming and stuff. I know it's annoying for both you and me, and so many people are like, I miss your videos, I miss your videos. I miss them too, but just trying to make it through the school year. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Born This Way concealer and my e.l.f. camo concealer. Literally, look how pretty it is outside. I love that so much. So I'm just going to apply this in all the places you guys know I usually do, which is like right on my the high point on my cheek, right in the front, a little on my chin, a little down here because I have a little bit of breakout, and then definitely on my forehead. I hate my forehead so much. It just like has so many little bumps of texture. It's so annoying. But as you can see, this shade's a little too dark for me, so I'm just gonna go in with the e.l.f. one and put it right on top. So my face is baking a little bit. I'm going in my Anastasia brow gel, which y'all know I love this stuff. So I'm just going to be running this through my brow a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Glam Bronze like I do a lot of the time. So today at school, I am eating a meal that my foods class and the Spanish 3 class prepared. Basically, we're like teaching them how to make like international foods, and so we could eat that today for lunch instead of like actual lunch, and I kind of keep forgetting that we have that, but I gotta do that. And then we also are watching a video in history, and I hate watching videos in history, they're so boring. But I guess we're doing that. And then in gym class, we've been playing a lot of like kickball and wiffle ball, which I hate because the teams are never fair and everyone just argues, and that class literally puts me in the worst mood every day. Like yesterday, I skipped that class with my teacher's permission, so basically I just got out of class. But I went and was cooking for a bake sale we have on Friday because we're doing this carnival at school. So I had to do some food, like bake some stuff for foods class for the bake sale. And so I got out of both history and gym. But literally in history, they just started watching the video that we're gonna finish today. And I wasn't in a bad mood yesterday. I was actually in a really good mood for the most part. And yeah, I don't know. But I'm just going in with my Anastasia blush like I literally do basically every single day, because these blushes are amazing and they don't like, I have a lot of blushes that will wear off really quickly, so you have to like go in heavy-handed at first. But with these, they don't really like fade a lot. And when they do fade a little bit, it's like a really pretty fade. So you guys know I love blush, so I kind of put a lot on, but it's probably okay. Well, I hit 1600, so 1,600 on Instagram, and we will be hitting 900 on here soon, and then 1K, which I'm so excited about. That's insane. That's so many people. Okay, so my two highlighters are gonna be Pixie Subtle Sunrise and Anastasia Snowflake. I love both of these. I don't think I've ever tried them out together though, so we're gonna try that. I'm a little sad that I couldn't buy the Amrezy highlighter before it went gone again. I looked everywhere for it and I wanted to buy it, but they ended up like basically stopped selling it as soon as I decided I was actually gonna buy it. It took me forever to decide I wanted it, just because it's supposed to be a little bit dark. Like, this highlighter is a little bit dark for me. This is supposed to be a dupe for that highlighter actually, but I really wanted the Amrezy because I've heard so many good things. But as soon as I was like, oh, I just need to buy it, like I need to stop putting it off, I couldn't find it anywhere, so I'm still kind of triggered about that situation. But it's whatever, I guess. Okay, so this is the makeup. Now it's time to fix a couple pieces of my hair. So two things. I noticed that my makeup doesn't look complete unless I've used inner corner highlight. If any of you guys have noticed that too, let me know. And then also, if you have blue eyes, have you noticed that your like blue eyes look brighter when it starts to get warmer outside? Because my eyes have been super blue lately, and obviously it's like the beginning / middle of May, so like the weather outside is getting nicer, but I think that's so like weird but cool, like that your eyes could change with the seasons. Okay, so my hair is done. Now I just need a perfume, and I'll show you guys my full outfit after like it's actually time to leave for school. But I'm just using my Viva La Juicy. I love this stuff so much. It smells amazing. But I will show you my full outfit later. I'm going to go eat some breakfast, and that's all for now. Okay. My eyebrows look so dark on camera and it's really annoying me. Okay, I'm now ready for school. I'll show you all my outfit really quick. But that's basically it. I have to go clean the kitchen really quick because my brother didn't tell me. Never mind, we're not gonna get into that, but I'm gonna show you my outfit. Okay, so I'm just wearing this t-shirt, dress. I have my necklace on like always, hoops. And then I have Nike socks and my Filas. I've been like thinking about this outfit for like 3 days, and I kind of vibe with it. I don't know. I know it's like different and weird, but I personally like it. So yeah, that's that. I have to go, so I will see you guys later. What class are we in?
Well, studying.
You sure?
Yeah.
How he thinks about it. Well, studying. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi.
The camera's on there.
Oh, hey.
Done with the Spanish meal.
Yeah, we did the Spanish meal. We're in foods right now. We're about to leave. We made cake pops and truffles, and no one else did anything. Okay, so basically, I'm now at my mom's house. This is like 4 days later, but I'm just now getting to editing a couple of videos. And I never ended this vlog, but I was like, I might as well show you guys an update of my room here. Don't mind my skin. Your girl is having girl issues, So anyways, I thought I would show you the progress of my room because I am totally doing a room tour after it's complete, which will be probably later this summer. But it's a little bit of a mess right now because we're in the process literally right now of decorating. As soon as my mom gets back in here, we're going to finish. So I'm gonna just show a really quick update. I'm sorry that you can hear the fan in the background, but I'm gonna just show you a little bit of what's happening and then this video will be over. So okay, so this is basically what we're dealing with right now. Basically this little thing me and my mom built last night, it's from Amazon. These baskets are from Amazon, and I have extra ones right there because I ordered another one of those to put as a bedside table. So that's gonna be for storage. And then I have a blind thing right there because one of my blinds is broken. This is my bed. It is so cute. It's not exactly made 100% right now because I was just sitting there to edit, but yeah. We bought this rug today at Walmart. I have my light fixture for my vanity right here, but we are about to hang that up. And then this is my desk and my mirror, and I have these pictures up here, and we're gonna hang these little like Bali thingies, I'm not really sure, up here in like that two blank things. But as you guys can obviously tell, red is my favorite color, which is what we were going for. And then here is my vanity chair, which is just kind of out of the way right now, but it's just like a regular foldy comfy chair with a rug over top. And then I have these little ball lights, which I think are so cute. And I also got a salt lamp today, which is so cute. Let me show you it turned on. I think it's, look how cute it is. It's so cute. It's so aesthetically pleasing. And then I have these little gold lights and these clips, which I'm gonna hang up here. And that's where I'm gonna hang my like personal pictures. But if you can tell, there's sparkles in the paint on the white, and I freaking love it. But that's basically my room right now. I'm gonna end this video right here. So I love y'all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And I will see you guys next time. You're welcome for this random bit. Bye. And I can be needed.